What's up, everybody? So as y'all saw in the description, I got a new tool today. It's in a big box and I'm very excited to show y'all what it is. I've been waiting a little bit for it, and it just is gonna help me expand what I can do to my car at home rather than taking it out of town every time, and also offering this service to the locals, because there's really only one shop that does automotive. I'm about to give it away. Let's check it out. I got myself a Miller welding machine. And before I take it out, it is a AC/DC TIG welder. It is previously owned by a technical school. And whenever I went to SEMA, I talked to Andy, I believe his last name is Weinberg, might not be saying that right. And he was able to offer this to me at a very good price that I could not say no to. They went over it once over, and I got all new accessories with it. So let's check it out because it is nice. So it's a Miller Syncrowave 210. As you can tell, it's kind of not the prettiest thing, but I was guaranteed it works. They went over it. That's what matters. As long as it performs, I don't really care about looks. Besides, over the top right here, I'm going to sand it down and put a textured black just to make it look a little better. And one of the best parts about it all is that I got all brand new accessories with it. This right here is a spool gun for MIG welding. Is to go along with all these accessories in this box as well. Brand new electrode holder for stick welding. Ground cable. Brand new foot pedal for TIG welding. This is a chain for bottle. And this thing right here, oh man, this thing is a good looking torch right here. This is the TIG torch. And look at this thing. Man, is this nice. No, I can't take that off of one hand. But I pretty much got everything I need to start welding anything. Aluminum, stainless. I wanna try to do titanium one of these days, but I need a lot more practice on TIG welding. As I've done stick, I've done MIG, I've practiced a little bit on TIG, but I need a lot more practice on it. But this thing right here, I'm more than excited to get it. I can start doing things on my own. I can start practicing. I can start fucking up, messing up, fixing it, just getting better at it. And I just love doing my own work on my car. And this just helps me step my game up just a little more. And there are some little things I need to do with the car, like extend one of the intercooler piping. I want to make some handles in the cage to be able to get in and out easier. I want to make a mount on my front end for my water pump, because the location that it's in is a pain in the ass. So I want to move it to the front, weld a mount to the front end. You know, just a bunch of little things I want to do with the car. And instead of taking it up to San Antonio, getting it done, which is 2 hours away, now I have my own equipment to do it. All I need to do is purchase a gas bottle and some materials. And I actually gave my auto darkening welding helmet away a while back because it wasn't welding anymore. So I gotta pick me up another one of those. But I'm excited. I showed y'all guys what it was, and I'm actually excited to be able to offer it to the locals. You know, any sort of repair jobs they need, some simple jobs welded up, whatnot. There's really only one shop in town that does automotive TIG welding. You know, and of course with aluminum, you need to do TIG welding. You can do MIG with the spool gun, but it's not as strong, comes out ugly. And so I'm excited to be able to offer that. The shop that does it is a boat fabrication shop, and they only do things like that whenever they got time, and automotive things whenever they have time. So I got the machine off the pallet, got all the accessories set up. This is for the foot pedal. And here I have the foot pedal right there. I put the spool gun right there. Need to go get a bottle. And then the other accessories that came with it: the TIG torch, the ground cable, and the electrode holder. Got it all set up. About to tuck it away in its corner right over there by the LS. And yeah, I need to go get a bottle for this thing and a couple of safety things. And again, I can't thank Andy and the people at Miller enough for helping me out with this, talking to him at SEMA, being so friendly, and getting it to me safely, you know, is another thing. And yeah, I guess that's that for the video today. I know it was a very short one. I was just very excited about this welding machine. I wanted to show y'all what I got, and I can't wait to start making some videos of me doing some stuff for the car. I will have another video coming out later on, probably in the next couple weeks, whenever I get some parts in. I did order some stuff for it, you know, both cosmetic and things to help it performance wise. So once I get that in, I'll show you guys what I got. I'm very excited, and just I'm gonna let you know right now, at Texas 2K I should be running the fastest pass I've ever made due to some of these parts. So that's it for the video. I'll catch you guys next time. I'll see you later.